Hello friends, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is my 78th day of 90 days English speaking challenge. So friends, today I am talking about the don't worry about the future, because when you worry about the future, that should you also waste your present moment and the mind of peace. So just like borrowing the future, and when you say think about that more much the future, then you also waste your present moment and also create the one unnecessary stress and the fear, and many things are there in your mind. So why inside of the just like focusing and inside the thinking in the future, you also doing the best in your present. When you do the your best in the present, then automatically create the better future. So when you do that, I think everybody think about more much, and also many things think in the future what happens, because everybody don't know about that what actually exactly what happens the tomorrow. So why are you thinking about it more much the future? I also think more much for the future, but I also understand myself why are you thinking this type of thing, because I also know when you think about the future, then you also waste your present moment and also create the stress and fear in your mind. I also disturb your mind. When your mind is disturbed, so what you do it in your present moment, and how can you do the your best in the present moment? And when you do any work, then you also think about the future, then you also waste your that work also, and not focused in your work. What you truly want in your life, you also achieve that things. Just like borrowing the future and thinking about the future not solve the does not solve the tomorrow's problem. So why are you think about the more much future, and you also still waste your today's happiness? So that's why you think about the present moment, because present moment never come in the again. So why are you waste your present moment? And just like most of the time we think about, and also just like worrying about the future, and that thing that never will happen actually. So why are you think about that type of things? And also just like when you living the present moment, also doing the consistently work and the focused work in the present moment, then you also create and take the right decision in your future. So you always think about the positive and in the present moment, and because your present also create your better future, it's also know about it, because your first step create the big results. You also know about that. Just like students always worrying about the just like our exam, and that away from the 2 months, and they never they can't study properly. So how they achieve the good marks in your our exams? When you just like focused in your exam and also focused in your study and do the hard work in your studies, so also you create your better results in the future. So only you do your best, because when you do your best and don't think about the future, then you also achieve all things in your life. So okay friends, it's my today's content. I will upload next video, next important things tomorrow. Okay friends, bye bye and take care.